So we have heard of blockchain technology over the years, but what did we do with that information? Nothing really. We ignored it and hoped that it will just fade away like any other technology, especially those we do not quite understand. Well, that was then. Blockchain is now becoming noticed, especially after Elon Musk began mentioning a cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. So, how is Dogecoin related to blockchain? Well, because blockchain technology gave way to the invention of cryptocurrencies such as bitcoins, litecoins, dogecoins, and many other digital coins. So it is much like the internet giving way to online shopping, online banking, etc. So now influential big financial companies such as Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, and Goldman Sachs are now embracing this technology as part of their system. China has already begun developing a digital yuan, and Canada has already approved Bitcoin in their ETFs. Morgan Stanley has already included cryptocurrencies in their portfolio for their wealth management services. And big companies such as Tesla, Microsoft, and IBM are leading the way to utilizing this technology in providing services to their consumers. But that's not all. MasterCard and PayPal are excited to be on board with this technology. Why? Well, imagine sending money online without going through these big financial institutions, without the extra fees and lengthy approval processes before you can even send or receive money online. Our life will be amazing when we experience a borderless transaction online. So what problem is blockchain solving exactly? Well, currently, our principle for storing information is centrally located in a database from a specific location. But then guess what? If I'm a hacker, I could easily find out where the wealth of information is stored, and I can breach my way into it to steal it, because everything is there. And that's the problem why we have data breaches reported by big companies such as Yahoo, Facebook, MySpace, Experience, etc. Do you know the biggest data breach recorded in history? Yahoo, for 3 billion user accounts compromised as a result of the multiple breaches it suffered from over the years. That's about half the entire population of the planet. So here's what blockchain will do to solve this. To simply explain this, your data is safe and secure as managed by networks of computers in a decentralized system. Everyone can participate, and any modification on the data has to be approved, recorded, hashed, and distributed to all the participants of the peer-to-peer network, thus making it really difficult to steal information. That's a lot of words though. Let's go ahead and break this down step by step in a very basic explanation. So, your information is stored in a block. That's easy enough. The block contains the sender, receiver, and the amount involved. It also contains the hash value, which is like a unique fingerprint for every block of information, and the hash value from the previous block of information. So three things, okay? Information, hash, and hash from the previous block. Remember, blockchain is a digital public ledger, which means it is a historical record of every transaction with its own unique hash value. And this digital public ledger is not managed by one person or institution. It is managed by all the computers in a peer-to-peer network. This means everyone has a copy of the information. For a hacker to change that information, he or she will need to breach into all the other copies distributed among the computers in the network. And again, every change has to be validated, authenticated, and approved by the consensus to happen. Hacking in this kind of system sounds impossible, isn't it? And this is why the World Economic Forum described blockchain technology as essentially an immutable public digital ledger. So what are the benefits of this technology? Aside from the borderless transactions, this technology can provide accurate tracking of shipments and store data more efficiently. It can revolutionize logistics, food safety, digital voting, storing of documents such as birth, death certificates, deeds, title of ownership, financial accounts, medical records, vehicle odometers, intellectual properties, digital notaries, and many, many more. But before we get excited, as with any technology, it comes with some concerns. So for example, if your name is recorded wrong or your marital status is incorrect, can you easily delete the information in a blockchain technology where every single thing is recorded? It sounds like nothing is deleted. So how about illegal hackers using the technology for their criminal activities? Can they truly hide and get away with their crime? Here's the good news. The illicit activities among all cryptocurrencies as a percent of total cryptocurrency activity for the past few years was only less than 1%, so that is great news. But the best news is The blockchain technology can be utilized as a forensic tool that can be used widely by law enforcement and the intelligence community to identify and disrupt illicit activities. It can be a highly effective crime fighting and intelligence gathering tool. This actually reminds me of Tom Cruise's movie Minority Report. If you haven't seen it, go watch it and you'll know what I'm talking about. So, what is our government doing to prepare for this revolutionary technology? Well, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has already encouraged developers for blockchain forensic tools to help in digital investigations. There are already a number of program software out there that addresses data protection, security management, phishing protection, used for threat intelligence, for cybersecurity compliance, etc. Some of these are Cofins, Darktrace, WhiteSource, Threat Quotient, Synthesis AI, Content, and Calamu. The point is, blockchain technology can offer a wide range of opportunities to forensically investigate cybercriminals more effectively. It will also allow to securely and safely store an immutable public digital ledger for misdemeanor data, biometrics of citizens and stateless persons, criminal records, wanted lists, and many others, accessible by all in the law enforcement and intelligence agencies. So what's the conclusion? Let's not stop it. It is new, so let's study and learn about it as consumers and business owners. For our government, regulate it and utilize it to beat the bad guys in their own cyber game. Thanks for watching.